So I'm here at the National Mosque in Kuala Lumpur. And let's see what Gemini has to say about it. What can you tell me about the National Mosque of Kuala Lumpur?
The National Mosque of Malaysia, or Masjid Negara, is a prominent and significant religious site located in Kuala Lumpur. Here's some key information about it. Historical significance. It was built to commemorate Malaysia's independence. Completed in 1965, it represents a modern approach to Islamic architecture. Architectural features. It's known for its distinctive 16-pointed star-shaped main roof. It features a 73-meter-high minaret. The design blends modern and traditional Islamic architectural elements. Capacity and location. The mosque can accommodate a large number of worshippers, with a capacity of around 15,000 people. It's situated amidst 13 acres of gardens in Kuala Lumpur. Visitor information. There is a dress code that is enforced. Visitors are asked to dress respectfully, and robes and headscarves are provided for those who need them. It is important to note that the mosque is closed to non-Muslim visitors during prayer times. It is located near to the Kuala Lumpur railway station. Cultural importance. It serves as a central place of worship for Muslims in Malaysia. It is an icon of Kuala Lumpur. I hope this information is helpful.
So let's see if it's possible to enter. As you can see, the women have to wear something like this. Islam Art Museum. The Botanical Garden. It's always beautiful, the greenery and the big city centers. And it's quite hot today. Let's do a little trail walk. That looks a little bit like the mushroom in Sevilla, but the very smaller version.
They cost $1.25. They would have lasted longer. Oh, they broke 3 times. I'm not gonna get you right now.
First I thought it was a statue. 31 degrees now. The humidity is 62. So that's quite tough. So I'm at the bird park in Kuala Lumpur. I don't know how much the fee is. As you can see, 85 ringgit. What happened to this one? There's a lot of peacocks over here. But the question is, do you have to pay 17 euros to see some peacocks? Some parrots, some monkeys. There's a hornbill over there. I never seen that before. I thought they would be bigger, or maybe that's a small one.
course. Okay. Shout as loud as you can. 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 4, 5. Yes, thank you. Very good. Okay, Mr. Moore. I say thank you. And another thing over here on my left side, you guys will be doing from me. Over there, Tommy, okay? Ready? Shout as loud as you can. Tommy, Tommy, Tommy. 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tommy, Tommy, Tommy. Yes, excellent. Thank you, everyone. All right. Okay. So let's get ready with this here. Team Butterfly, blue side, and Team Tommy, yellow side. Remember your first, okay? So, Papa and Tommy, ready? Okay, good. All right, so cheerleaders, everyone ready, yeah? Okay. Let's start on your mark. Get set and go! Come on, such as sunflower seeds, peanuts, cockles, and vegetables. Okay, they need a variety of fruits. And in Kuala Lumpur, we have 3 types of mango, yeah? Scarlet mango, green wing mango here, and also blue and gold mango, yeah? And they're very smart bird, huh? Okay, so Zico will come back here. Everyone just sit down and do not raise your hand. Thank you. Alright, okay guys, give a big round to Zico!
So that was my visit to the bird park in KL. Is it worth it? It's okay, it's not bad, but most of the birds are peacocks, parrots, pigeons, and sometimes you see another exotic bird. I saw one hornbill. Actually, I hope to see more of them, but that's okay. 85 ringgits. It's a little bit more than 17 euros. At the end, I saw a bird show, but yeah, it's a show that you see in every bird show. But it's okay, it's not bad, it's not very good. I'm not gonna say it's a must do, but it's okay. So, the bird park in KL.